Hey, it's Mr. Libby. Welcome back to ICP. We have our second one-day week in a row. And for those of you here on the L3K students, I am going to give you 1 day's worth of assignments to do in class, and you have one CK12 thing to do at home. So here is the plan that when you actually get there, it'll look like this. And let me move myself. When you open it, there'll be 4 things. One is a planner. The planner looks like this, and I'll try to attach this video in the planner. This is what we're doing: acceleration, velocity, time, identifying variables, time triangle math practice. Those are both going to be drag and drops. And then there's the CK12 assignment. Acceleration, velocity, and time. You have a whole web page on acceleration. We need you to be able to identify the variables, drag and drop them. Remember, acceleration is in meters per second squared, velocity is in meters per second, and time is in seconds. And if you can remember that, you'll be okay. It says, do not solve the problem. I'm not asking you to do math right now. All right, so here we go. Let me try one here. It says, what is Josh's acceleration when he rides his bike? When riding his bicycle, he speeds up from 4 meters per second to 6 meters per second in 5 seconds. So what are we looking to find? Well, we are looking to find his acceleration because it says, what is his acceleration? He started at, his initial velocity was here. It was from here to here, which is, this is where he finished, all right? And it was in 5 seconds. And again, let me just move me so I'm out of the way. 5 seconds. So all you have to do is drag these things in the right spot. There are 9 more for you to do, and you literally just drag them into the right spot. The next one. This one, you do have to do a little bit of math. It says calculating velocity and time. You have some formulas here, and those are some units. This says initially a roller coaster car starts at 4 meters per second. So this is the 4 meters per second. It attained a speed of 22 meters per second. So this goes here. All right, and then the acceleration is what we're looking for. And this is 3 seconds. And then you can go ahead and plug in the numbers and get your answer. Let me try another one here. All right, so here we go. The equation to use, it says, what is the cycle's acceleration? It's going to be A equals VF minus VI divided by T. A. Excuse me. All right, so it started from here. So this is the from, which is where it was initially. This is where it's going to. And this is how long it took to do it. All right. So when you substitute that in there, you have 8 meters per second minus 0 meters per second divided by 4 seconds. And when you do that, 8 divided by 8 minus 0 is 8. 8 divided by 4 is 2. And it's going to be meters per second squared. Meters per second squared. And how do you know it's meters per second squared? Because acceleration is always meters per second squared. That's where we are. I'm going to say for now, we're going to go ahead and stop.